how to create Binance Web3 Wallet. First of all, you have to launch the Binance application and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you're logged in, from this interface, navigate to the top left corner and tap on your yellow button. Here you will find Web3 Wallet, so tap on Web3 Wallet. After that, you will be taken into next page. There you will find Create Wallet button, so tap on Create Wallet. Then you have to wait for at least 5 seconds in order to complete the process. After that, you will be taken into next page where you can choose the verification method. So there you will have two options to continue with the authenticator app or to continue with email. Tap on email. After that, you might be asked to enter your email address. So provide your correct email address. Now, you will receive verification code in your Gmail account. You have to check your email, and once you have the code, type in the correct code. And once the verification is complete, your wallet will be created and you can load up your money in your wallet. So that's the way in order to create the Binance Web3 wallet. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.